Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. There is a very nice verse in Chanakya Sloka. You just see how much time was considered as valuable. By this verse you will know. Chanakya Pandit says, Chanakya Pandit was a great politician. He was sometimes Prime Minister of the Emperor of India. So he says, Ayusachana ekopi na labhya sarnakotivhi. He says that a moment's time of your duration of life. Moment, not to speak of hours and days, but moment. He was considering moment to moment. Just like today, 15th March 1968, now it is 7:30 or past 7:35. Now, this 1968, 7:35 gone, as soon as it is 7:36, you cannot bring back that 1968 15th March evening 7:35 again. Even if you pay millions of dollars, please come back again. No. Finished. So Chanakya Pandit says that time is so valuable that if you pay millions of golden coins, you cannot get back even a moment. What is lost for good. Sache nirathakanganitaha. If you such valuable time spoil for nothing, without any profit, kanu hanis tatodhita. Just imagine how much you are losing, how greatly you are loser. The thing which you cannot get back by paying millions of dollars, if that is lost for nothing, how much you are losing, just imagine. So, the same thing, Prahlad Maharaj says that Dharmana Bhagavatan, to become Krishna conscious or God conscious, is so important that we should not lose even a moment's time. Immediately we shall begin. Why? Durlabhang manavang janma, manusang janma. He says that this human form of body is very rare. It is obtained after many births. The modern civilization, they do not understand what is the value of this human form of life. They think that this body is meant for sense enjoyment like cats and dogs. The cats and dogs, they are also enjoying life in four principles: eating, sleeping, defending and mating. So, human form of life is not meant for spoiling like cats and dogs. Human form of life is meant for something else. And that something else is Krishna conscious or God conscious. Because without human form of life, no other body can understand what is God, what is this world, what I am, where from I have come, where I have to go. These things are meant for human life. So, he says that from very childhood, actually, this is essential, from childhood, in the schools, in the colleges, this Bhagavatam Dharma, or the occupation of Krishna consciousness should be introduced. This is necessary, but they do not understand. They think that this part life is all, and this body is all, and there is no other life, next life. They do not believe it. This is all due to ignorance. Life is eternity, and this part life is preparation for the next life.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,